Hello Kumar team, hope you are doing well. So I have set up the Asana task according to this instruction. No our time I have set up just structure and not automation process etc. So according to this job requirement, so I have set up here like author, purity, module, estimate time, actual time, and create a form, and then add these solution like inbox solution, accept, build, close, in these things like I'm going to Asana and show you. Like here I have set a inbox solution, accept, build, closed, and then author, purity, and module, estimate time, actual time, and I have set up the form like in this form. So open this form, and these like request, title, description, purity, module, estimate time, submitted, these all things I have submit. So review this and inform me, then I will further complete automation process. Thank you.